Hey guys, let's prep some trailer hubs for a pontoon trailer. We got our new hubs with our new race. Came with the race, but not the bearings. Had to get these separately. Grab your part numbers off your old parts. Right there, the seal. Sometimes it's hard to see the number. Couldn't even see the numbers on the old bearings. They were worn out so bad. Sometimes there's a part number stamped on the back of the hubs. This is a BT 150A shorty style. Had to check all the measurements. These ones were hard to come by, but I got them. You're gonna want Lucas red and tacky grease. Take a finger, get some grease down in there. Then we'll grab a bunch of grease right in the bearing. Kind of pack it into those grooves, like so. There's tools called bearing packers. I got a couple. You don't need them. I'm gonna pack it in. The rest goes on my hand. Hardly ever wear gloves unless I'm doing something like this with a lot of grease. Come on, give me some more. There we go. Go ahead and just get messy and dirty with your grease. Now what I'm doing is I'm hitting the grease on my palm and rolling the bearings at the same time. See the roller? And you'll see it come out of that crease on the back and the front. You can see how it packed it in there. That's why it's called packing bearings, I think. You're supposed to get the grease all the way in there and all the air out. So it's just one solid hunk of grease in metal, filling in all those loose areas in the bearing. And that's how you pack these tapered bearings. Just hit it against your hand and it'll roll the grease into all the nooks and crannies. Like that. Now this hub happens to have the same size bearings for the in and out, no difference. Put a good amount of grease on the exterior, and then we'll slip it in the way it fits. Only fits in one way. Take another finger full of grease for around that bearing. And these bearings, I don't have a cap here. I left them by the trailer. Have the greasable caps with the grease relief hole on the back, so we can pack them full of grease with the grease gun as well. But there we go, there's that. We'll take our seals, grab some of this extra grease off. Put a little grease on that lip, exterior and interior. Line her up, Buttercup. Press it in as much as you can by hand, trying to keep it started evenly, not lopsided. We'll take a flat chunk of wood and just flush it out. Right there. Now this one's prepped. Take a little more grease and pack it in between the bearing and the seal. When you're installing these, make sure you know how to properly torque this style of wheel bearing hub onto a trailer spindle. Look that up if you need to. Now that our hubs are prepped on the inner bearing and that seal's keeping everything in, we can flip it over, pack our new bearings, our new outer bearing, put it in there, and I'll carry it out like this to the trailer and install it on the trailer. That is pontoon trailer, wheel bearing prep before I go out there. If we got a long enough break in this rain, and torque them onto the spindle, put the new tires on. Bada boom. Have a good one.